I'm Raimi. I have a bunch of clothes that I just got to transition my wardrobe from summer to fall, and I am usually not this kind of person. I would just use all the clothes that I already have and force them to work through the rest of the month by just using like a jacket or something. But I decided that fashion was really important to me, so I'm gonna try. I live in Florida, so it's always boiling hot, and transitioning my wardrobe from summer to fall doesn't look too different besides really color and texture of the clothes. Other exciting news, this video is in partnership with Nastygal, which I love so much because they're really reasonably priced and everything is so cute. I'll make sure to link everything I got below just in case you guys are interested. I'm really obsessed with everything here, so I'm excited to show you. You know when you get a bunch of clothes and then you come home from like the mall and like the first person you see is who you show all of your clothes to, like show and tell? Well, this is me doing that to you. Anyways, so first I got this really cute silk top, and it's a tank top. The straps like tie and cute little bows in the back. There's a little zipper too, and I love this one so much because the neckline, I actually like it a lot. I didn't know I liked like deep necklines like this, but it's actually really pretty and has good coverage. And if you didn't already know, I don't wear bras, and this is no bra wear friendly. It's also like that really pretty silk champagne color that we all know and love. So this is a 10 out of 10 for me. It fit perfectly. I think the ties in the back make this the perfect top for like those aesthetic Instagram pictures that are like of girls' backs. You know what I mean? Like these, for example. And they're just like, and it's to the back of their body and it looks so cute on the feed. If you see me doing that, mind your business. Next, I got the cutest little cardigan ever, and this is a big deal because I swear every time I order something that's knit, it's just not the comfy kind, and this is the comfy kind. It's like the perfect crop as well, and it's this pretty little tan camel color, and you can wear it open, of course, but I just plan on wearing it like closed with the buttons closed. And I think this is like one of the most fall pieces that I got that's really gonna like stand out in my wardrobe. Getting things that button up make me so happy because it's a whole outfit in itself, but then it can also be like outerwear too. Imagine this with like a tiny little top and then it's unbuttoned with like a long skirt. That would be so cute. This next top is very sexy, very spicy. It's this denim corset and it has like a zipper on the back, but all around all of the edges it's like very distressed, and I think that is so freaking cute. I've never seen a top like this before, and it just makes me feel so pretty. This gives me like very cool girl vibes. It's giving very like Miley Cyrus, rock star. Have you guys seen that TikTok that's going around of her singing like all of these rock covers? I'm absolutely living for it, so maybe that's why she's on the top of my mind. But like, can't you imagine her wearing this? Yes. The next top is the one that I'm wearing right now. Actually, it's just this white crop t-shirt, and I think it's so important just to have basics in your wardrobe. Really, every outfit is just a mixture of really cool basics and like one cool piece. So this is something that I will honestly probably be wearing with all of my sweatpants ever. Some might call it basic, but I call it comfy. Okay, so I live in big t-shirts 24/7, and when I saw this Sex and the City t-shirt, I knew I had to get it. It's just so perfect. Look at how happy they are. And I remember when I was like way too young and my mom would watch this and I would just sneak in the living room or in her bed and watch this with her all the time, and I thought that Carrie's outfits, well actually all of their outfits, were so like the most amazing things that I've ever seen. And I mean, woman empowerment icons, truly. Also, this is very comfy. It's not like a, I don't know if you're gonna get this, but it's not like a crunchy big t-shirt. You know when there's that fabric that's like very stiff? Like this is very much like a flowy, comfy fabric. Next, I have this black ribbed halter top, and I didn't try it on for you guys because I actually lost it until right now, but I'm really happy I found it, and apparently Sadie really approves of this one. So I got one bodysuit, and it's this like tank top one. It's like that kind of tank top that's a t-shirt without the sleeves, and it's a bodysuit, and it's a little bit ribbed, and it's so cute and perfect, but I am embarrassed to tell you that I just couldn't fit it over my head. And I tried for so long. I even risked ruining my hair and my makeup, and I just couldn't do it. I have a big head, and I'm just really upset about it. This would have been very cute in theory. I'll let you know if I can ever fit it over my head, but it's not looking like I can do that. I'm just sad that I can't fit it over my head. Like, dude, I got a US 2. Should I have gotten a 4 because of my head size? I don't know, man. So I got a few matching sets, which are my favorite things ever. I got this crew neck and sweatpants set. I feel like I always see like the cool people wearing matching crew neck and sweatpants sets. I have wanted a set like this for so long, and this has exceeded my expectations. It is super comfy and super soft, and I'm just very happy because it's one of my favorite colors and it's the perfect amount of oversize. I think I'm just gonna end this haul right here and go take a nap. I am just kidding, because I have a lot more cute stuff to show you, but seriously, wow. This next set might take some imagination. It's this green oversized button-down set with these oversized long pants, and it's like slightly satin, like it has like this reflectiveness to it. Imagine if like you saw fairy wings on a regular basis and they were like shiny and reflective a little bit, like that kind. Whatever, I don't know. I know it's different and a bit oversized, but imagine me in a field and my hair is done like all cute, and I'm just like standing there, the wind's blowing in my hair, it's oversized, like my tummy's peeking through, and I'm just like, and there's like grass everywhere, some flowers. Like, this could be a very much a look, you know, with some cute makeup. I feel like the flowy oversizedness can be very high fashion. I don't know, it made sense in my head to me, but I think this is really cool, and it's always nice to have something a little funky in your wardrobe. I got another lounge set, but this is a lot thinner, and it's like a shorts and crop t-shirt set, and I got it because I am at home most of the time and I want to feel 1% put together, so I felt like this would do it for me. I really like this because it feels like pajamas, and I want all of my clothes to feel like pajamas, honestly. And it's like this really neutral, almost pink color. It's like a mixture of if pink and tan had a baby. Pan. I got some dresses because I love dresses, just giant fabric to pull over my body and call it a day. It's a yes for me. I got this like slip dress that's this cheetah print, and honestly, I just got it because it's brown and I love brown, obviously. It's like this super soft, almost silk texture, and I really like the length because I don't like it when dresses are just like that weird length, I guess. But then again, I do wear a lot of like midi dresses and long dresses, so maybe I grew out of the dress length problem. This is not as form-fitting as I wanted it to be. I did have to clip it in the back, but this gives me even more of a reason to do one of those clothing flip videos. I've been wanting to do one of those so bad. So this will be one of them, snatching the waist. But either way, this is like a super cute, well-made dress, and I love simple little dresses. I got this pastel yellow dress because I thought it would be really cute to layer. You know, like those outfits where they do the collared shirt with the crew neck on top and then like a little skirt? This could be the skirt, and I feel like the pale yellow is so cute. It's definitely a vision in my brain that I hope comes to life really well. But either way, this is like a cute form-fitting dress, and it has like this interesting texture on it that reminds me of a cloud. I got a long dress because it wouldn't be one of my hauls if I didn't. It's just this black silk long dress, and I do need to make the back a little bit more smaller for me just to like cinch it on my waist. This dress makes me feel so pretty. I don't know what it is. I think it's the material because it's like this silky texture. It just looks really good on your body, and the way like it drapes is just So cute. Put a cardigan over it and just call it a day. I think a black dress is a staple for fall. The last dress I got is this really long maxi dress, and it's supposed to be like form-fitting. It has this really cool stitching on the front, and it's kind of like a racer back kind of deal, but I bet you can just guess. Look at the head hole. Apparently, my head cannot fit through that, and I don't know why. I'm like so embarrassed. This is a new problem for me. Never in my 20 years have I actually like, maybe my head grew. I don't know, but I just couldn't get it on. My head was too big for it. Maybe I'll turn it into a skirt. So I got some pants. I think I genuinely found my new favorite pants ever. These are the perfect oversized jeans. They're Wrangler jeans, and first of all, the band is stretchy, which is perfect because I eat a lot. And the bottom is wide. It has like these distressed frayed edges, and they're just the perfect vintage style mom jeans or dad jeans. I don't know the specifications between the gendered jeans, but they're basically really big and somehow fit me perfectly. I did a mini little like photo shoot wearing these jeans, and they were so comfy that I could like kick my legs up and roll around the grass. So insert those here. A fall trend that I picked up on is fake leather pants, and I think I found the perfect ones. These are brown faux leather pants, and they are so comfy. They're wide legged at the bottom, and they don't feel like leather. They don't feel like that hot texture on the inside. Are they the same texture on the inside? No, they have this. It's like this very soft fabric, and it feels super good and comfy to wear, and it didn't make me hot at all. And I'm someone that gets very hot very easily, so I really appreciate that about these pants. Like, even look at the button. It's so cute. It looks like a little chocolate. And they have this little pleated detail on the back of them, which I think is a really cute touch, and I cannot wait to pair this with like a tiny top and a cardigan. This was just such a good buy. Next, I got these black mom jeans. There's no rips or anything, and I've been looking for some a bit more oversized mom jeans, and these were not that. They were kind of just like regular straight leg and not as big as I wanted them to be, but they're honestly just a good regular pair of jeans, so I can't really complain, and I'm sure they will come in handy for something, or I can turn them into shorts. That would be really cute, actually. I also got these pink long comfy shorts just to wear around the house, and I've been wearing them ever since this video, if that tells you anything. So the last thing I got are these shoes, and I don't really know how to describe them other than like platform sandals or heels. I'm not sure, but they have like this cute little boot detail, that's what they remind me of, on the bottom, and they're just like super simple, and I feel like easy to style with things, and they also come in white, and after wearing them they're really comfortable and easy to style, so I'm definitely gonna get the white ones. I like these, they make me happy. And that's everything. Fall wardrobe has officially begun. All of these clothes are linked in the description, and don't forget to check out my socials while you're at it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!